Hello everyone. Uh, Today I will discuss a very important and very easy chapter of class 12, that is matrix. First we'll discuss the introduction part of matrix. Then we'll discuss the concept of matrix, what is matrix, how many types of matrix are there. Then we'll do the sums. Hope you know what is array. In day-to-day life or in other subject, the array is when the numbers are arranged in form of row and column, that is called array. Suppose a set of numbers are there. Suppose 1, 9, 1 to 9. If these numbers will be arranged in form of row and column, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So this arrangement is called array. So in mathematics, when numbers are arranged in form of row, that is a rectangular array will be arranged in form of row and column, that is called matrix. Suppose this formation is there, so that this is called the matrix and it will be denoted by in this way. Okay, so you can say that a matrix is a rectangular array of numbers arranged in row and columns. Okay, so matrix is a rectangular array of numbers arranged in row and columns. So when we are saying that array, so in matrix, when that array will be arranged in form of rectangle, rectangular form, and there is a row and column, that is called the matrix. This is one matrix. Okay, suppose m cross n numbers are there. Okay, that will be arranged in n rows and n columns. That will be arranged in form of m rows and n columns. That is called a matrix of order m by n, or you can say that a matrix of dimension m cross n, or a matrix of type m cross n. So when these numbers are arranged in form of row and column, suppose the numbers in this way 1, 2, 3 up to m, up to n numbers are there. Okay, so when up to n, so when n rows and there and n columns are there, so you can say that this is a matrix of order m by n or m dimension of m cross n. So suppose this is a matrix 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 17. So what is the dimension of this matrix? How many columns are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 columns are there. And how many rows are there? 3 rows are there. So dimension will be 3 into 4. So this is the number of rows and this is the number of columns. Okay, so this is the dimension of the matrix. So when m cross n numbers are there and that will be arranged in form of m rows and n columns, this formation you will get. So this formation, the example of this formation is this. Okay, this is called the order of the matrix. Hope it is clear up to this. Now This is a matrix and this is the numbers of the matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These numbers of this matrix is called elements or entries. These are called elements or entries. So this number, this 8, 9, 4, 6, all are called elements or entries of the matrix. So normally, suppose M cross N matrix are there. M cross N matrix are there. Okay. So that the representation of M cross N matrix is like this way. That is A11, A12, A13 up to A1n. Means this is the element of first row and first column. This is the element of first row and second column. This is the element of first row, third column, and so on. This is the element of first row and nth column. Nth column. This is third, this is second, and this is first column. Okay. Now, this is first row. So, what will be the element of representation of element of second row? So, representation of element of second row will be A. Second row, that means in suffix, that first value will be for row, that is 2, and this is first column, so it will be A21. It will be A21. This is denote, the notation of 2 is for row and this define column. Okay. Now what will be the second element of second row and second column? That is 2, 2. What will be the element of second row and third column? That is, second row means 2 and third column will be 3. For third column, that will be 3. So what will be the last element of the second column? That will be 2n, because last element means for second row and nth column, that will be A2n. So now say that if mth last column is mth, sorry, if the last row is mth row, so what will be the element, first element of the mth row? So first element of the mth row will be A m1. This m is for first, sorry, mth row, and this one will be the first for the first column. So what will be the element of second column? That will be A m2. Now what will be the third element of the mth column? That will be A m3. Okay. Now say what will be the last element of the mth row or nth column? That will be the, you can see here this one, and for the last column, that is this. So that will be mn. So the element notation of the last element of this matrix will be amn. Okay, so this is the notation of the matrix, and symbolically this matrix will be represented in form of suppose this matrix will be represented in form of box A I J. So A is for the row and J is denote for the column, and it will be given in the third bracket. Okay, so A I J. So this is the symbolic rotation of matrix. Symbolic notation of matrix equal to Aij, where I is equal to number of rows and J is equal to number of columns. Okay. Hope up to this it is still clear to all. Now we'll move to type of matrix.